Hi, I'm T3 Stylist Ambassador Jenna Garjola, and I'm going to show you how to achieve 3 different curls using the T3 SinglePass Curl with 1-inch barrel. First curl I'm going to do will give you kind of that old Hollywood style wave. You're going to grab about a 1-inch section of hair. Holding the barrel horizontal, you want to clamp it down as close to the root as possible. Wrap the tail around and just slowly glide and twist. You're creating a wrap on top of a wrap. You're not doing a spiral. So keeping it horizontal, you're just wrapping it up until those ends disappear altogether. Once you've worked your way all the way through, you slide it out. You can just give it a little tug. And you see you've got that little old Hollywood wave starting to form. The next curl I'm going to show you is an easy spiral curl. Pull out a 1-inch section of hair, hold the iron vertical facing upwards, open the clamp and place it approximately 1/2 inch to 1 inch away from the root. Clamp down softly, keeping a little bit of pressure on the clamp so it doesn't clamp down hard, and twisting the barrel as you go. You'll notice the hair is spiraling around the barrel. It is not wrapping over on top of itself. Working your way down the hair until the ends disappear altogether and pulling the barrel out, you get a nice bouncy spiral wave. The third curl I'm going to show you is an easy beachy wave. You're going to pull out 1-inch section of hair. You're going to hold the iron vertical again, but this time facing downwards. Open the clamp, place it behind the hair, and just wrap it around the iron. Hold it there for 1 to 3 seconds and release. Give a soft tug down, and there's your beachy wave. So you can see 3 very different curls achieved with one T3 SinglePass Curl 1-inch barrel iron.